Hello everyone, welcome to Rasayan Academy guys, and a very Merry Christmas to all of you. So guys, I hope that you are enjoying with your friends and families and all the chocolates that you have bought for Christmas. So yes, once again very Merry Christmas. So you must have seen the thumbnail, and in the thumbnail I had told you that get everything that you want on this Christmas. So what is it? Am I becoming the Santa and distributing all the chocolates to everyone? No, not at all. So yes, I have a story to tell you all, and very simple one, and I hope that you would be interested in listening up. So yes, watch till the end. Now the story goes like this: that there are two friends, Jack and Jones, and Christmas is coming. They are very excited. So since this is a modern new world, so the Santa has a cell phone, and he just called up Jack and Jones, both of them, and he has told them that okay guys, so be prepared with your list because I'm coming up and I'm going to distribute your gifts. So Jack was very excited, and he had already texted Santa that Santa, I want a Gucci bag, I want a Rolex watch, I want a iPhone 12. Okay, why not? So I want all of these things on Christmas. So he was very figured out, and Santa was like, okay, I can gift you anything. So there it was, right? So when when it was evening and Jack was roaming around his room, under the bed he just got all the gifts, and it was right over there. So Jack was very happy. The next morning he had shown these gifts to all of his friends, and okay, he was satisfied, he was happy with that. Now Josh was confused, or I said Jones actually. So Jones was confused, and he had no idea how he is going to put his wishes into words, because he wanted a lot of things. So Santa asked Jones, that guy, what do you want? Tell me. So what is your wish on Christmas? So Jones said, Santa, I want all of my family to be happy forever. I want myself to clear a lot of competitive exams, and I want to see myself very rich and prosperous. And yes, this is everything that I want. And Santa was confused that, aren't you asking a lot of things all at once? How am I going to give these things? They are not even actual presents. They are just wishes. I am not a genie. I don't grant wishes. I give you gifts packed in a box like that. So Santa had to figure it out, that how is he going to make this guy happy. So what he did was, he gift wrapped a pen and a diary, and he presented it to Jones, that okay Jones, I have got everything sorted, and this is your gift. So this is a magical pen and a magical diary. Whatever you write in this diary with this magical pen, everything is going to be real. You are going to get every wish granted. So Jones was satisfied and convinced and very happy. So he started writing everything. Okay, whatever his wishes were, he started writing everything. But Santa had told him, Jones, beware that nature has its own pace. So you are not going to get everything just in one go. It will take time. So Jones was like, okay, I'm getting everything. So let it take some time. Doesn't matter. I am going to get everything, ultimately. So yes, he was very excited. He has started writing all of his wishes, and he knew that everything is coming soon. So yes, Santa has gifted him. Santa had told him that everything will be true. So just like this, every year Santa came and he gave gifts to all the other children, everyone else. But to Jones, what he did was, he just saw his diary and he just ticked off one by one, okay, this wish is granted. In the first year you have already cracked all the important competitive exams, and okay, very happy. Jones is very happy. Now in the second year he came back and he ticked off that okay, you got a job at a very nice place, and one of those that you wanted. Okay, Jones is happy once again. Now in the third year he came up and he told Jones that, see, you got a very nice you got a very nice salary hike. Okay, so this wish is also granted. Now time went by, and one by one, on every Christmas, Santa used to remind Jones that everything that you wanted is actually getting true, with a gap of 1 year or 2 year, like that. So at when Jones was 32 years old, he bought his own car. When Jones was 35 years old, he bought his own house. So, yes, everything was getting fulfilled. His family was doing well, he was doing well, he was happy like that. Okay, so meanwhile, Santa was giggling up in the skies. He was looking at that guy. Such a foolish guy he is. I did not give him any magical diary or pen or anything magical at all, but still he has got everything. So, because he believes that he has magical stuff. So, guys, there it is. There is my story for all of you. Now, I just want you all to understand what I want to say. Okay, so I want to say to you that be your own Santa this Christmas. Why? Because you don't need anyone, right? You don't need, you are educated, you are grown up now, and what you need is just the belief that if you take up a pen and a diary, just you need the belief that these are magical. Whatever you write in this diary and with this pen, that is going to be true. Maybe in 1 year, maybe in 2 year, but that is going to be true. That is all you need. You need the belief. You just need a pen and a diary, nothing else. Alright, so this is my message for all of you on this Christmas, that be your own Santa, make your own choices, select your own happiness, and build yourself, because the satisfaction that you get when you earn something is much more than the satisfaction that you get when something is gifted to you. Okay, so that is my message for all of you this Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas, all of you guys, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye, everyone.